Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to start the reset now. First, make sure the battery is above half or plug in so the process won't interrupt. You should back up synced items to your Kobo account or copy the internal storage to a computer. This protects purchases and notes. Once done, check that you know your Wi-Fi network name and password because you'll need them to reauthorize and re-download books after the reset. Now, unlock the device and go to the home screen to begin. Open Settings, then Device Information, and choose Reset or Factory Reset. This is the standard path for most Kobo models. You'll see prompts asking to confirm erasing user data, read them, and then confirm because this clears local files and account details. If the touchscreen or menus are unresponsive, press and hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds to force a restart, then attempt the reset again. Make sure you wait for the device to finish rebooting before proceeding to setup. After the reset completes, you'll see the welcome and language screens. Follow them, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Kobo account to restore purchases and sync notes. Once signed in, hit sync to download your library and then reconfigure preferences like font size and sleep settings. If the device fails to register your account or keeps rebooting, try a manual firmware update using a computer and USB or micro SD method. This often fixes corrupted system files and stabilizes the reader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.